Top 5 protein foods for building muscle. Number 1, chicken. It's an excellent source of protein, essential for building muscle. It's also low in fat and packed with valuable nutrients. Number 2, eggs. This is one of the most amino acid-rich protein foods you can find. They're also packed with good cholesterol, vitamins, and minerals. Number 3, sky are high in protein and calcium, important for muscle growth and bone health. It's also a good source of probiotics, which are excellent for digestion. Number 4, the sweet potato. It's an excellent source of carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. What's more, it has a low glycemic index, so it provides a feeling of satiety while providing the energy you need for your sports sessions. Number 5, salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have an extremely positive effect on muscle growth and recovery. It's also a good source of protein and other important nutrients. Subscribe for more health tips.